Hey cat people and people that are interested in the paranormal and also in creatures, inverts, reptiles, whatever. So today, after I knock things down, I'm going to do an unboxing. So I received it earlier on today, but unfortunately we had what do you call it? A bed base delivered. So unfortunately that became a priority as well, because the one that I was sleeping on was completely and utterly, knackered, on its way out. And obviously because I've got a curved spine, it needed to be sorted. And obviously if I'm dealing with anything, and that's with my cats, the paranormal, my creatures, I need to try and help myself, even though I'm waiting for an operation at the moment. But anyway, let's get this sorted, otherwise I'll be here all bloody week talking about it. So, came today. Obviously I blanked my address out, otherwise I don't want any weird people coming round. So, anyway, we've got the box today, and it's from Jerimie's. I think that's, yeah, Wild World, just checking, because I didn't want to say it wrong. Cute. And it says fragile everywhere and urgent living creatures, handle with care. Live insects this way up. So, I'm going to unbox it. So, just adjust my camera, which shall go down that way, and bring it back a little. And I'll bring the package full back to me as well. And then I'll show you what I have got. So we have Spider Shop package. There's the wrapper and lots of green annoying fluffy bits, or as people know them as annoying packing peanuts. So let's get those out of the way. Oh, you horrible things. Go away. Right, we have a couple of stickers, which I do actually have some. Have I got one of Jerimie's? Probably, but I've not put it up yet. Or have I? I don't flipping know. So anyway, stickers. Just make sure, yes, I am putting them the right way. Sorted. And then we have what looks like a business card, which is pretty awesome. Looks like it's got the red fang on front and a tailless whip scorpion. Just show you. So show you that way. And this way. Very nice. Put them down. Put them on here, otherwise they'll go bye-bye. So, in fact, I'm going to put these in a bag, and then it can be out of my way. And if I need to use them, they're here. So, yeah. So, as I'm going through, we'll see what we find. And as well, I want to make sure that I'm not. So, these are the, oh, I can actually write down what I've got as well. These are two little scorpions. I think the wood scorpions. Can't remember the name. I'm rubbish with names. This is why I label everything. Now I should have two of these. So there's one. This is one of the red fangs I've got. Deep planter. These the... Oh, yeah, they are. Oh, my days. They are so cute. These, I should have 4 of them. And these are called Pink Dragon Millipedes. That's the name. And they are so tiny. But they are so cute. Put these in here. The other scorpion. And then, whoops. These are called the orange dalmatians. Oh my days, they are so tiny but so cute. These are springtails. All moving and cute. Oh, here we go again. Go away, fly. Yeah, we're having an escapee fly. Here's the other red fang. Do you know what, fly? You're in trouble. Just because you're showing off. Here we go. Keep that. Cute. Slightly warm. Obviously, this is evening and I've had this since this morning. Keep going. These are the orange springtails. Oh my days. They are so tiny. Oh yeah, they are tiny. That'd be pretty cool to get these established and get these going. So I think these need a little bit of warming up. But there you go. I don't see many moving in there, but like I said, depends on where they're hiding. That's where this fly's showing off now. Sorry. So I'm going to be showing this to the camera and this fly's showing off. I swear it's walking around going, no, 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 no. I don't see anything else in here. No, nothing jumping out and grabbing me. Going, whoa. Sorry. Well, it is all sorted. Yay! Okay, I will sort out the rest to go in here. So chances are I'll probably keep some because I've got things to send myself, and I've got other packing peanut. In fact, it comes packing peanut galore. And yeah, I can see all these little cute pots. Obviously, I want to get these established. The orange springtails. You can see a few in here. And I do actually have some pretty nifty springtail food and all the rest of the malarkey that they need. Oh yeah, these are pretty cool. I can see a few of them in here. So doesn't look, see, now I have a proper look, I can see them a lot better. They don't look as non-movement. Now, I don't know whether I'll bring this up to the camera. There's a few moving there. Can't see myself. But there we go. These guys look pretty cute. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, there was a few of you there and you all go and hide. Run away! Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to rehouse these guys, and if I decide to add it to the video, which I might, I don't know, see what mood I'm in and how much time I've got, because I've got a live tonight. But this video will probably come out after the live, so there you go. Okay, so I thought, you know what, fudge it, I'm going to attempt a few things. So I'm going to see how it all goes. Take everything out of here. Yes, I use a box. Always used one because it's a lot more easier. So, right, I'm trying to squish myself. Right, so let me get everything sorted. I've tried to break up as much cord back because, yeah, I've got loads, but just stuff I can't break. And I'm not going to try and break it because I'll probably end up breaking one of my fingers like a right daft nitwit. Right, this might be a bit too big, but considering I've heard that the red fang likes to bury itself, so I'm going to use this. It is clean, it's just obviously been well used. Hello. Hello, you. If I can bring you closer. Okay. It is so tiny. Look at that. That's cute. Right, let's get this little one. And then I'm going to use the smaller one instead, because I'm not happy. So, scratch this one. It's far too big for these little things. And I will find something. There we go, I think this one will do. Yeah, we're zoomed in at the moment, so. Make a little hole at the back for it. Here we go. Do that. Right, the water. Yep, we will put it there. Leave that there, leave that there. And then we go back in again and take this little one out. It's a weenie. But hello, little one. Wow, you are so tiny. It is unbelievable. My days. Can't believe how tiny you are. Right. See how much you can see, which is absolutely fudge all. See, I don't normally make videos with creatures in. Let me just put that down for a second. If I can bring this back a bit. Oh dear, my friend's back. Look, Fly, will you just do one? I'm checking me little creature. My little spider doesn't draw a runner. Hello, little one. Right, you are going somewhere special. It is called a new home. Oh my days, you are so tiny and cute. Right, let's guide this one to down here. Right, little one. Time for the new home. Whoops. And there you went. Just check. Not still on the tissue, but I think they just dived down the back. Oh no, I see you. You've done a runner out at the top. Oh no, I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think so. Fly, go away. Fly, go away. I don't think so. Get back in the top. Get back in the top. Thank you. Now get back in your house. Time to go to bed. Oh, I'm using my shaky hand. I automatically shake. Not because I'm scared. It's because I have an illness. Not enough spiders illness, that's what it is. Yeah. I just send that. Just check. Right, we're getting this lid on before somebody decides to scram out. Let's just check. They didn't run back in there. Nope, and they're not down there. This is why I get a clear tub. Just check. Flipping heck. This is well packed. Whew. And then we just do that to show. Now you can see my other hand, which is a spanner. Yeah, we're all clear. And it is definitely in there. Somewhere. I don't know where, but it's in there. I've seen it run in there. Believe me. It was fast. But it's in there. And I'm not letting it out again until food time. So, yep. That's the first of one. Zoom out again. Bits of water in it. Get a bit more substrate going in there. I'm not happy with the amount of substrate. Because obviously everything that's small that thinks it's going to be eaten by something hides. Simple as that. It's just logic, really. Yeah, do that. If I can can't find bigger pieces because I can't break any off. I'm not strong enough, so I'll have to get somebody else to do that for me. So I'll just do that for now. And the water, after I put some moss in. Right, and then we will get ready, whoops, for number 2, which I'm being an idiot and not finding it. Here it is. That is not it. That is it. And then we turn you like this. And then we get the little tubs ready. I did have another one, here it is, just in case it does a runner. Tongs. Here we go. Taking it very slowly. Oh, I see it. I see you. In there. In there. So tiny. So cute. So tiny. Oh, fudge. Right. Yes, I see you. Where's the lid? I'm not ready with the lid, being a spanner. Here we go. You're coming out, or you're going to do 20 laps like your brother or sister. Okay, your sibling will be easier. Right, we'll do this. I don't like being too... Yes, I know, I see you. You're going to run away from me. Yes, I see you. And then I'm going to try and aim them for the top. Fly, you're going to get beat up. No, do one. Fly, go on, scram. I'm not being your friend anymore. Keep it a little bit dark in there. Maybe they'll feel a bit more comfortable. Now this one, I think I want it doing 20 laps around my hand this time. Oh, I see ya. I'll try not to squish it. Don't like. Right. Fly, you're going to get your ears boxed. Now you see that down there? That's your new home. So guess who's going in there? And it's not me, it's you. Let's see how fast we're going to go. We're going to go very nicely and very slowly. And then you know we go this way. I know you don't like it. Come on. This way, little spider, in you go. Make sure you go in. Oh yes, they've gone straight down. I don't know whether you can see, I will zoom, but they have actually gone down the back. But they are so tiny. They went down. This one didn't do a runner. One didn't really run far, the other one actually just ran a little bit. Which, from some of the things that I've got, that's not fast. And I was waiting for it to be something really fast, but then maybe I'm just too used to catching things that are fast. So I'm going to do my usual thing. Let me just zoom out and label it. See, I'm not prim and proper like everybody else. This is how I do things my comfortable way. So there we go. And we will put the label. Let's see which way we're going. This way. So we'll put it across here. And there we go. That is number 2. Sorted. Right. And then you just remove everything. And then you get ready for the next thing. Now these, not too sure, but I'm sure we'll get this right. Oh my days. What should we do? I think we should do the pink ladies. Right, I've got some substrate here. I've got some other stuff as well that they may like. Fly, you're going to get a thick ear when I get hold of you. I know I keep threatening this fly, but it is. It's going to get a thick ear. Oh, you're an annoying fly. Where's that stuff that I got recently? Go away. Go on. Scrap. Okay. Now I've got to remember where I put it, because I put it away that good. Even I don't know where it is. But I'm going to definitely put them in there anyway. I think they'll do okay in there. I will change them into something else. But I want them to be comfy and happy. Now, I know where. There they are. Put it in here. So, these are a type of millipede called pink dragons. And yes, I've got some like bits of white wood for them. And they'll probably want bits of moss and bits of leaves. And so, what should we do? I know, we'll make it up. And gentlemen, right, I shall, because I want to mix all the bits and pieces. See how damp it is in there. Yep, so we will damp it down in here a little bit. So I'll get a bit of water. Mix it around. Alright, let's get some in here. Yay, I'm making a mess. Well, at least I'm making something. Get in there. No. Sheesh. Oh yeah, it definitely feels the right dampness. It's not stupidly soaking wet, is it? Could see how we go when we put the, what the fish do you call it? This, I always forget what the name of it is. Moss. I don't brain am dangerous. I know I say it all the time, but there you go. I'm sure this fly is just flying around thinking, she's an idiot. Alright, fly. Are you not looking? I'm going to get you. I'll drop this on top. I suppose if I don't think there's enough in there, I can always add more at a later date. Oh, yeah. You know, this is fun, actually. Don't want to hurt them, because I get very. See, I know they're in there. I just wanted to see how tiny they were, because they are tiny, tiny, tiny things. Nope. Oh no. There's one. I mean, look how tiny that is. I mean, that is tiny. I know. My phone's complaining. But if we do that, look how tiny that is. That is cute. Alright, we'll zoom out. And then I'm actually going to transfer these over straight away because it's only fair on them. And then it's up to them where they go. Do it slowly. Check there's nobody. Yes, there is. Oh, that's quite a large one in there. Let me just zoom in again. 4. There we go. Right. Put this back. And we will put this down. Come on, you. Let's use the. Come on, you. In you go. In you go. In you go. Let's see. Where are we? Come on, you. Pen in the bum. I know. I know you don't want to, but you have to. It's better in there than staying in this tub. Can't see what I'm doing because my eyesight is pants. Oh, yeah, I see it. Oi. Pen in the bum. Yes, we can crawl up there, but you're not going to get very far, are we? Down you go. No, this way. Hey. Excuse me. Yes, you. Come on. I know. I know. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Come on. On you go. Come on. I can see you. Just push your bum. Get your... In you go. Yay! Check there's nobody else in here. Sorted! So there we go. Keep them in there. And I will put the lid on. Take this out. Jackie's back's killing her. Now what did I do with that flipping tub that they are in? There's the tub. You know what? Fly, you're going to get a thick ear. Seriously, Fly. We could have been friends. But not anymore. Here we go. Pink dragons are going labelled. Yay! Oh, you cheeky little so-and-so. Right. Oh, my days. Since it's like nearly half an hour, 10 weeks later, I will now do the orange dalmatians. Very cute. Very cute indeed. I'll take, there's a bit of glare on there. If I do. Oh, they're so tiny. So tiny and cute. Let's see if it'll let me zoom in without being a spanner. There we go. I mean, look at them. I might actually just keep them in there because they're being so tiny. I am going to keep them in here for a couple of days and then take them out and put something else. But these guys are definitely happy. Look at them. Now, we'll leave them. I actually want to sort out these scorpions. Now, apparently these are meant to be tiny, 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 and I don't know where the rest of my tiny, tiny tubs are. So, I may actually use, so I've got similar tubs to what I was. Now, these little babies are meant to be able to produce their own offspring without the help of a male. So that's pretty interesting. So we're going to open this up and see if we can find anybody in here. Oh my days, it's tiny. It's so tiny. Oh my goodness. Right, I'm going to do this. I've been told these are meant to be little baby. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. So we will zoom in. Look at that. How cute that is. Oh, baby. So, sort this out. This little one, you can sit there for a second. I will do you a nice house. It will have to do for now, and then I will just sort it out because I'll be able to find it. I've actually had a little scorpion that size before. But obviously, they never stay that small for long. Well, some don't anyway. Let's do this and go in a nice clean tub. So you've got bits and pieces in there. And since these are so tiny, I can see these having maybe fruit flies or what's the other ones? Springtails, but not my orange ones because they can forget it. I might be kind, but I'm not that kind. I've only just bought them and I'd want them to eat them before I made friends with them. That would be no good. Right, let's do this then. do that. It'll probably hide underneath it anyway. Yeah. Right, what did we do with the little one? Oh yes, probably hiding underneath here because it's not damp enough. Make sure I've got a lid. Little holes, but I'll do more. And it's not staying in here because I'll have to find the proper tub. Let me see where these little babies run off to. Not in the tissue, I see. Well, this part of the tissue anyway. Okay, where the fudge have you gone? Is it actually in the layers? Yes, I've got it. Clever baby. So the little one is going in here. If I'm not happy, I may put it in a sling pot instead. But for now, it can go in here. Come on, you little one. In you go. Down you go. Down you go. No, not in the tissue. Not in the tissue. No, get back down. But down you go. Yeah, yeah. You're still on the tissue, aren't you? Yes. Right, you. We need convincing a bit more. I'll put my finger in the way. Maybe it will scare you. Take one look at my finger. Ah, human finger. No. Exactly. Go down. That's better. Shh. Now, let's see if I can find my light. No. Oh, there we go. Oh, my silly arm's in the way. See if I can do it from a distance. Maybe it'll let me. Oh, it's hiding now. Oh, no, they've gone. Right. Well, it's sorted. Now I could show you exactly the same for the same for the other one, but no. I will see if it's okay. Yeah, I don't like this tub very much. So it's going to probably stay in here until I find the other one. So I'm not happy with it being in that at all. There's the label, so I'll definitely be taking that off. Right, I'm going to see if the other one's doing okay. And then I'm going to end the video here. So excuse me while I find there's the other one. And I'll have a look and then I will leave the video here because the video has been going on for a stupid amount of time and it can be a bit tedious in the end, can't it? Oh, this one's bigger actually. You are bigger. Wow, you're cute too. I'll show you, but then I'm going to have to end the video. I will definitely, in fact, I can cheat and do it this now. Well, let me do it. No, it's not working too well because of the flipping stupid tissue, but yeah, it's showing it white and it isn't. But this is our little scorpion. But I'm going to put this back on and shut it. You can stay in there for a minute. So I'm going to find you under the small enclosures. So put you there and we will sort this video out. Anyway, so I've used the labels that Jerimie provided on the actual tubs, so yep. But otherwise I'd use my own labeler because I do actually have my own, because I make sure everything's labelled because I'm terrible with names as it is. So everything, even something like this is what one of Dave's, because he uses the Dave's Little Beasties, he uses like what do you call it, I forgot the name of the paper, but uses that That's a P. rufus in there. Don't know where. Oh, they've been webbing up like mad in there. But anyway, like with everything, I keep the labels, or I'm doing my own labels. So obviously, even ones that have been used by people, or you know, people that provide them for me, they're going to get tattered and torn. So I do make my own up as well on my labeler. Anyway, I am actually quite pleased, and yeah, obviously I've got my dalmatians, which I may put in another tub, because obviously they put the sphagnum sphagnum moss in there to keep them keep the moisture in there for him. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and head over to Jerimie, and yeah, obviously should ask him what he's got to for sale, and he will, yeah, he'll do you a nice nice size little creature, whatever you wish to have. And any information you need to ask, then obviously ask him. You could ask me, but sometimes I'll just go off things off my own initiative, seeing things and like, I wonder if that needs a bit of water, or should that one be dry? And sometimes you just more or less look at them or find out where they've come from. Like with the, was it the red fangs, the Brazilian, so they're from Brazil. So I've got a few creatures from Brazil, so they have a little bit of moisture, but not too much. You know, it's just something that can be common sense. Fair enough, we've not all got common sense. I mean, sometimes mine even does a runner every now and again. In fact, those will get put back in the plastic tub, because sometimes, like with any scorpions, they have a habit of using their tails to push themselves up and get out of their enclosures. They are pretty good at that. Definitely good escape artists. So that's why those, I've got my Malaysian forest scorpions in there, in them tubs. And even though with them lids, they look safe, they're not. So I prefer them in here. And the other ones have all got clip-on lids that I make sure nothing goes nowhere. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. And any bits of information, it's down in the description. And yes, it's not my usual stuff, but I do everything, so why not? If you don't like the video, don't watch. But if you do enjoy the video, have fun. And yeah, I'm sure I'll see you either on one of my lives or on somebody else's live. Anyway, I will catch you all later. Bye.